Good morning children. Now we are going to learn about grammar. Grammar is very important in each language. Grammar helps us to speak and write without mistakes. In this class, we will learn about sentence. Before we enter the class, we will know about letters. What is letter? A letter is the smallest unit of language. For example, A, B, C, etc. And alphabet is the collection of all the letters in language. How many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. What are they? Yes, they are A to Z. We all learn about letters. Then we will go to learn about words. What is word? A collection of letters with some meaning is called word. For example, A, P, P, L, E, apple. Apple is a group of 5 letters. Apple is a kind of fruit. A collection of 5 letters gives a meaningful word. So, apple is a word. Next, cow. C-O-W, cow. Cow is a group of 3 letters. Cow is a kind of animal. A collection of 3 letters gives a meaningful word. So, cow is a word. We all learn about words. Then we will go to learn about sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. For example, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. This sentence is a group of 6 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This group of words make clear sense. So it is called sentence. Have you understand? Next, we will learn about the structure of the sentence. Structure of the sentence. Sentence always begins with a capital letter. Second point, a sentence generally ends with a full stop or question mark or an exclamation mark. Third point, it has verb. Next, we will learn about the kinds of sentence. There are 4 kinds of sentence. What are they? They are statement, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. The first one, statement. Statement is also called assertive sentence or declarative sentence. A sentence that expresses a statement is called an assertive sentence. The sentence always begins with capital letter and ends with full stop. For example, Gren went to the temple. This sentence begins with capital letter and ends with full stop. Next one, ants are always busy. This sentence begins with capital letter and ends with full stop. The earth goes round the sun. This sentence begins with capital letter and ends with full stop. He is playing cricket. These girls are happy. Such of these above sentences says or states something. It makes a statement or declaration. So it is called an assertive sentence. It is also called declarative sentence. Have you understand? இது ஒரு சாதாரண வாக்கியம். இது எப்பொழுதுமே கேபிட்டல் லெட்டர்ல தொடங்கி ஃபுல் ஸ்டாப்ல தான் முடியும். இதுதான் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். Next one, interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Interrogative means question. Sentence எப்பொழுதுமே capital letterல start பண்ணி question markல முடியும். இதுதான் interrogative sentence. For example, what is your name? This sentence begins with capital letter and ends with question mark. So it is interrogative sentence. Have you seen an elephant? This sentence begins with capital letter and ends with question mark. So it is interrogative sentence. Who killed the deer? This sentence begins with capital letter and ends with question mark. So it is interrogative sentence. Where are you going? Did you write the examination well? Each of the above sentences asks a question and is therefore called an interrogative sentence. It also begins with capital letter and ends with question mark. Have you understand? Next one, imperative sentence. A sentence that signifies a command or request is called an imperative sentence. Command means கட்டளை. Request means பணிவு, கோரிக்கை வைத்தல். Please help me. தயவு செஞ்சு எனக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னு கேட்குறப்ப இங்கே வந்து ரெக்வஸ்ட் பண்ணி கேட்குறோம். சிட் ஆன் த பெஞ்ச், அந்த பெஞ்சு மேலே உட்காருங்க. கமாண்ட் பண்ணுறோம், கட்டளையிடுறோம். ஷட் த டோர், கதவை மூடு அப்படிங்கிறப்ப கமாண்ட். ப்ளீஸ் க்ளீன் அப் த பிளாக் போர்டு, தயவு செஞ்சு போர்டை க்ளீன் பண்ணு அப்படிங்கிறப்ப ரிக்வஸ்ட். ஈச் ஆஃப் த above sentences expresses a command or a request and is therefore called an imperative sentence. இந்த சென்டென்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாக ஒன்று கமெண்டாக இருக்குது, அப்படி இல்லை அப்படின்னாக்கா ரெக்வெஸ்ட்டாக இருக்குது. இந்த ரெண்டும் வந்துச்சுனாக்கா அது வந்து imperative sentence. Imperative sentence always begins with capital letter and ends with full stop. Already we learnt that the statement begins with capital letter and ends with full stop. Yes, both of statement and the imperative sentences begins with capital letter and end with full stop. Next one, exclamatory sentence. A sentence that denotes a strong emotion or feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Strong emotion or feeling, அளவுக்கு அதிகமான உற்சாகத்தையோ ஆச்சரியத்தை தரக்கூடிய ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் தான் வந்து exclamatory sentence. How intelligent he is, அவன் எவ்வளவு அறிவான பையனா இருக்கான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ரொம்ப ஆச்சரியமா நம்ம பார்க்குறோம். This sentence begins with capital letter and ends with exclamation mark. How fast Sneha speaks, ஸ்னேகா வந்து எவ்வளவு ஸ்பீடா பேசுறா. In this sentence, first letter begins with capital letter and ends with exclamation mark. What a beautiful dress it is, what a beautiful girl she is. ரொம்ப ஆச்சரியமா சொல்லக்கூடிய இந்த விஷயங்களை தான் வந்து exclamatory sentence சொல்றோம். Each of the above sentences expresses strong feeling or emotion and is therefore called an exclamatory sentence. It always begins with a capital letter and ends with exclamation mark. Have you understand? Okay, thank you children.